Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this is the last paycheck of January and it's a good one. We are going to be stuffing, I believe, $856, which is a really big number, and I am super excited. So we are going to be going over how much we made for our paycheck, side hustle, we're going to be paying our bills, stuffing our cash envelopes, and also stuffing our sinking funds, which are my favorite part pretty much. Whenever you are watching this, it is actually January the 21st on a Saturday. I do these every other Saturday whenever I get paid. These are some of my favorite videos besides the money challenges, but we're just going to get right into it. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you guys to come and hang out with me, be part of the family. I do giveaways, I do money challenges, I do all kinds of stuff, and I would love for you to join. But anyway, so let's go ahead and start. So paycheck number 2 is, let's see, I did $2,079, and we actually got paid $2,155 because I did pick up an extra shift, which was overnight shift. It was 7P to 7A, and that was a shift diff. So I did get paid a little bit extra. And then the side hustle, I budgeted $100, and for 2 weeks we made $116, which is great on our part. Now moving on to the paycheck number 2, bills. So the house, which I have done my calculations, the budget was $218. I'm actually going to be putting $109 in. I'm going to try to use this one, but it might be too faint. Oh, you can see, guys, right? Y'all can see it. I'll zoom in just a little bit so y'all can see. All right, so then a car note did get $200. And then insurance was $38, and I already sent that to Jared. Disney, I budgeted $50, but I actually had to pay $139. I need to pay off this Disney card. It has really big interest, which I hate. I hate that I was irresponsible with that card, but it is what it is. Capital One, I budgeted $100, but I actually just put $55 in there. Next week, whenever we do our eBay and Macari income, then I'm going to put another $50 in that. Light is $37, and I already paid for that for next month. And then phone is $50, which was already paid for as well. So we're going to go ahead and add everything up and see how much we have spent on bills, which is always not the fun part, you guys. $628 is how much we are spending on bills this month, or this paycheck actually. So 2155 minus 628. So $1,527 is what's left from paycheck number 2, not counting the side hustle. Now, let's go ahead and stuff our cash envelopes. And let's see. Cash envelopes, groceries, we have $0. I do have some extra money right here, but these are going to go towards the money challenge. This is some of the leftover money that we had from our vacation, which was amazing. So groceries is going to be getting $100, which is going to be $250s. Gas is going to be getting 140, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. And then fun money, I actually had a lot of money. This is from our trip as well. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. So $147, and that's just going to go towards either money challenges or something. It's going to go towards something. I'm going to hold off on stuff in the fun money because I forgot. I had to break it down because this weekend is the first weekend of yard sales, and I broke down the $100 into smaller increments, and I have no idea what is what. So we're going to wait until the very end, and whatever money is left over is how much is going to go towards the fund money. Now moving on towards the sinking funds. Now sinking funds, we are going to be stuffing $400, and we are going to start with medical. So medical is going to be getting $50. Car maintenance is going to be getting $40. Vacation will be getting $140. Dobby is going to be getting $100. Christmas will be getting $20. Special occasion will be getting $20. Home is going to be getting $5. Beauty is getting $5. And then renewals is getting $20. And we're going to add all that together, and it should be $400. So 50 plus 40 plus 140 plus 100, 20, 25, 5, and 20, which is $400, which is correct. Let's go ahead and get our sinking funds ready. And I think I'll do this off camera. Well, I'll put the envelope on off the camera. Okay, so medical first is going to be getting $50. Let's do that. It's $50. So we have, oh no, it doesn't have two fives. Let's see. 50, 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 11, and 12. So 112. Is that right? 112? Let's see. No, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's 212. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's see. 90 plus 20 equals 10, 11, 12. So 212. Okay. We're good, guys. $212. And I did use $22 because I needed to get some medicine that was prescribed to me. Car maintenance is getting $40. So we have 500, 20, 40, 60, 81, and 20. So $620. $620. Vacation. I know I just got back from vacation, but we are going ahead and starting because our next trip is Mother's Day, and I have budgeted $1,500 for Mother's Day. I have no idea what we're going to do yet, but she has $1,500 to spend, so we're going to figure that out. And then we are starting our Disney, which we are going to be going back the week after Thanksgiving, and I'll go more into debt with that probably Tuesday when we do our money challenges. So we have 120 and 40. And we do have leftover from our other vacation. I have a lot of leftovers just everywhere, you guys. I'm just saying. Okay, so we have 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 20, and 5. So $225 is how much is in vacation right now. Dobby will be getting $100 because Dobby on Monday is getting neutered, and we have to get as much money as possible. I will be pulling out of his pet savings fund that I have saved $200 in that. So right now in this one, which this is mostly like food, treats, toys, groomers, anything like that, but we are going to be using it for the neuterization. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 95. So we have $195. Oh, I gotta put that together. $195. Next is going to be Christmas. It says I have $0, but I actually put this, I take this out on Tuesdays and put it in my Christmas challenges. So you'll have to watch that to see how much I actually have in there. Sometimes I'll do an update every now and then, but you have to watch Tuesday's videos to see how much we actually have been saving. So Christmas has $20. Special occasion, we have to bump this up as much as possible. It is getting $20. We're bumping up as much as possible because my friend is getting married in October. She's getting married local, but I have to, I have to find an outfit. I have no idea what I'm going to wear. I have outfit, it's everything. I'll probably get, a new haircut. I think I better be invited to that bachelorette trip. That's all I'm saying. But anyways, if not, it's fine. But we're going to bump this up a little bit just so I can buy myself a new dress, get my hair cut, get my nails done, and stuff like that. So my budget is probably going to be about $300, which we probably won't spend that much. 20, 25, 26, and 27. So $27, and it's not until October, so I don't have any other special occasion. 25, how much was that again? I see I already lost track of time. 25, $27. Home is going to be getting $5. Let's see. Home is just pretty much any renovations that we want to do. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 46. So $46. Moving on to beauty. Beauty, we always will be getting either $0 or $5. This week, we are going to be putting $5 in here. And beauty is anything with hair products, makeup, anything like that. 20, 30, 35, and 40. So $40. $40. I think my budget for beauty is going to be $150, and then I can just cap that out. I can't get it into the binder holes. Okay. So $40. And then renewals is getting $20. HOA fee is due at the end of this month. And then I have to renew my license this year in February. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, and 60. So $160. $160. We're going to go ahead and add all that together to see our balance of how much we have total in our sinking funds. 620 plus 225 plus 195 plus 20 plus 27 plus 46 plus 40 plus 160. So we have $1,545. And then we are going to be moving on to our eBay. So right now we have $40 in our side hustle, and we are going to be stuffing $116. 10, 15, and 16. So as of right now, we have 120, 40, 50, 55, 56, and 57. So $157. So we're just going to draw an arrow right here. So $157 is how much we have for our side hustle, which is really great because that is just extra money, extra profit that we are going to be doing. All right, so that leads us to our fun money once again. And hopefully this all equals to $100. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. I'm missing $1. Where did the dollar go? You know what? It's fine. We'll just add the dollar from our other fun money. Pretty sure I messed up. Of course, I probably messed up. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. If you see my mistake of where that dollar went, just let me know. I'll be much appreciative. But it's okay. It could just stay in that envelope. Anyway, so that is it, you guys. So that is our second paycheck and our last paycheck of January of 2023. I hope y'all like this kind of videos. We went over how much we got paid, how much bills we have spent, stuffed our sinking funds, and stuffed our cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. I'm super excited about this year. And I cannot wait to see this money grow for my sinking funds, for my money challenges. Cannot wait, you guys. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Sunday for a what's sold on eBay. And then Tuesday, a money challenge, which is always exciting. Anyways, love you guys and I'll see you guys later. Bye.